A lot of people ask me, I don't know if you noticed recently, like all my last videos, my last content, I have like no earrings and no makeup on, like my face, like there's nothing, like it's my eyes, all this, and my nails are painted because my daughter likes to paint my nails, and yeah, I let her cultivate her creativity like that. But what I want to say is, one day my earrings fell off, and I thought, tried to put them back on, and it was hurting. So I thought, why am I doing this to myself? Why am I like suffering? Is it to just look better? Do I actually look better? Does it actually matter? And I thought it didn't, so I stopped wearing earrings. And then the makeup is like the time it takes and the stuff on the face, and not being able to like just do this, whenever you want. Look at the sun, do sun yoga, massage your face like this. So relaxing, all right? Do this. Anytime you want during the day. The thought of having to put my wellness last or next after the makeup just didn't sit right. And so for you who maybe think, oh, I don't look good without the makeup, I need to wear the makeup, do you really need to? And for the skin, and you might think, because I know some people ask me this, what do you do on your skin, Mary, what do you put? And I'm going to be very honest with you, I wash my face sometimes, not every day, because I have a 5-year-old and I home educate her, so not much time for this, and it's not like my priority. And the key is to, when you reduce your diet, you're gonna have a great skin no matter what you eat, all right? Even if you eat crap, as long as you don't eat much crap, you'll be fine. Your skin is gonna be like glowy, like, can you see, like the whole like that. And before you say, oh, but you're young, Mary, I'm almost 40 years old, just in case, all right? Like, your skin is gonna look good just because you don't eat 3 meals a day anymore, and you might not even eat every single day, but you also still take care of yourself. And of course, you practice. To be able to do that, you do energy work, tai chi, qigong, yoga, meditation, whatever resonates with you, but blend things. Sound baths, breath work, this is what I do. And if you don't have time to do that, I don't have time either, all right? I have a 14-hour day, everyday shift with home educating my daughter and taking care of her because she's not independent yet. So she's awake 14 hours minimum, so I'm with her. This time I have like this, like short breaks where she's independent. I'm going to go back with her in a minute. But this is my life. And on top of that, during the day shift, I take care of my land. I have 10 poles, 8 chickens. We grow things on the land for my daughter to learn how to grow vegetables and all that stuff. And I have a 4-bedroom house that I share also with like a family member, like mom, another person on top of my daughter. And I live in a city, so technically it's like polluted and all that stuff, London. But it's still possible. Just to show you that even if you eat crap, you live in a city, you're busy, you can still, number one, reduce your diet, but number two, also practice energy work, aka breath work, meditation, and more. Even if you work full time, I do that at night. So the breath work and the meditation, the guided meditation, I have like audio tracks. You can experience them in my 7-day challenge if you want. I have a few on my YouTube channel, shorter versions. But when you do that, what you do is you reprogram yourself. You also always like clear your body. It's like you shower yourself, you energy shower yourself at night, so that the next day you are a new person. All right. And when you do that at night, you realize that it's rejuvenating. Instead of aging, you don't really do that. It doesn't really exist in your life. And people think at night they need to sleep, and of course we kind of do. Our body needs to rest, but breath work and meditation are going to duplicate the rest time into something more reprogramming and meaningful. Do that ongoing, even for just 7 days, you will see like your life is going to shift. And on top of that, you will have experiences you never had before, aka lucid dreaming, altered state of consciousness, clarity, of course, all these things, and maybe what we call out of body experience, astral traveling, these things. Okay, I'm not going to talk about this here because some people might think I'm too spooky, but this is the real foundation to a glowy skin and a rejuvenated life. The makeup and cream, you don't need any of this, all right? This is bullshit. But you can put, because it's relaxing and it's part of wellness, it's enjoyable. Sometimes I put a mask. My daughter likes to put some clay on my face to play. It feels good. It's refreshing. But do I rely on this to like look a certain way? No, none of this. Catch you up in my next video. Bye now.